Have you ever felt excited to learn technology? But after a few days, you felt lost? Too many tutorials, too many tools, and no clear direction. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Most people don't struggle with technology because it's difficult. They struggle because they don't know how to learn it. One day it's programming. The next day it's AI. Then someone says hardware is better. And slowly, confusion replaces motivation. Why this happens? The internet gives us unlimited information, but zero structure. We jump into tools without understanding concepts. We memorize instead of learning. And we compare our beginning to someone else's years of experience. That's not learning. That's overload. What if learning tech didn't feel rushed? What if you learned one concept at a time? Clearly, calmly, step by step. That simple idea is called BitByBit. What is BitByBit? BitByBit is a channel where we explain technology the way it should be learned. Not fast, not flashy, but clear. Programming, engineering concepts, hardware, software, and later, maybe even AI. Everything explained from the basics. One small piece at a time. Who this channel is for? This channel is for students, beginners, and anyone who feels stuck or confused in tech. You don't need a strong background. You don't need to be smart. You just need curiosity and patience. How content will be different? Here, we don't start with tools. We start with understanding. First, the concept. Then, simple examples. And only then, real tools and workflows. No skipping steps. No unnecessary complexity. What's coming next? In upcoming videos, we'll talk about how different tech domains connect, how to choose what to learn, and how to build real understanding without burnout. If you want to learn technology without confusion, if you want clarity instead of chaos, welcome to BitByBit. Learn tech, bit by bit. To stay updated, subscribe if this journey makes sense to you.